Dear students, I am Dr. Vishal, Assistant Professor, Distance Education Department. So, first of all, I would like to welcome all of you in the Distance Education Department, and believe me, you have done a wonderful job by taking admission in this course of BBA. So, in this video, I am going to discuss about your paper BBA 105, Workshop on Computer Applications. This paper is basically divided into three different parts. The first part is basics of information technology. In this part you will study what is computer, what are the different types of computer, about the generations of computer, and what are the various other aspects of computer. And then you will study various input and output devices. We all know input devices like we have keyboard, mouse, and there are so many others, and output devices like we have monitors, printer, plotters. You will study all these things in your first part, which is related to information technology basics. It's very, believe me, it's very simple part. You can easily study all these things. And second part is related to introduction to operating system. So what is operating system? Why do we use operating system? We can say operating system is the most important software used on any device. Without operating system, your computer is useless. You will not be able to use your device if there is no operating system installed on your device. Like we have mobile phones, or we have tabs and laptops. So on each and every device we have different types of operating system like Android, we have Windows, we have Linux. So this is the basic meaning of operating system. Then you will study about the various types and services provided by the operating system in this section. Along with the main thing you will study operating system is the Windows operating system. So Windows operating system is very commonly used operating system. Like you will study control panel related options. You will study about the desktop and various other features of Windows control panel, and you do not need to worry much about this operating system part, as again it's very simple and basic thing. Then moving to third part. The third part is related to MS Office. So basically MS Office, there are so many softwares in MS Office. You need to study three in your syllabus. The first is MS Word, then we have MS Excel, and then MS PowerPoint. So talking about the first part, which is MS Word, I hope all of you know that what is the use of Word. It's most commonly used software on any system. If you want to create any kind of document, if you want to create any kind of letter or a file or a proceeding or anything, you can easily use MS Word. There are plenty of options in MS Word, like you can insert picture in MS Word, images, you can insert border, header, footer, and you can insert table. You can easily display your data using MS Word. So this is related to MS Word. Then we have MS Excel. What is the use of Excel? Excel is basically a spreadsheet package. It is used for calculation purpose. If you want to perform any kind of calculation, it may be a simple calculation, or it may be a preparation of some kind of balance sheet related to accounts, or display of data. So you can use MS Excel. Or we have a very important feature of formulas. Formulas can be used in Excel. If you want to perform any kind of calculation using formula, you all know mathematically it requires a lot of effort and time using pen and paper, but in Excel it's very easy. You just simply type your values, then select those values and apply the formulas, and calculation will be done in seconds. Then graph and charts are very important features of Excel. You can easily create graphs or charts using Excel. Then moving to the last part, which is MS PowerPoint. Again, MS PowerPoint is also very simple and easy to use tool. You can create your presentation using MS PowerPoint. There are so many features, like you can insert slides, then after inserting slide you can insert videos, pictures, sounds plus animations, and make your presentation interesting. So you will study all these things in detail in this paper. And now, talking about the weightage of this paper, the total marks related to this paper is 50, and there will be no external exam. The total 50 marks are the internal assessment marks, and it will be marked on the basis of the test conducted by the department. Then you will make a practical file related to your paper, and followed by a viva. So it's a combination of all these things, which consist of your 50 marks. Then question comes key from where we should study this paper. So if I talk about the first part, which is introduction to information technology and operating system, to cover these two parts you can follow a book of Computer Fundamentals by P.K. Sinha, or Fundamentals of Computer by V. Rajaraman. And as far as the MS Office or Microsoft Office part is concerned, which include Word, Excel and PowerPoint, you can follow MS Office Professional step by step by PHI Prentice Hall of India, or even you can follow any book related to MS Office, because it's basically a technical kind of thing. You only need to study the steps